Alright, let's go get it.
Yeah, the game with the stick. Yeah, it was in great condition. I don't know why someone would get donated like that.
Yeah, they probably weren't thinking straight.
Wait, where's my head? I got another stick game in the back.
Really?
Yeah, right over there.
You trying to pull it?
Hey, great find, guys. This is great.
It's not the same.
No, but some would say foosball's better. It's got the same wrist action, plus mass appeal. Way more people play soccer than hockey. Come on, give it a shot.
You confused.
So what's this called again? Foosball.
See? Ah! So we getting it? I can't believe you tried to pawn off that junk foosball. Sorry, geez. At least it was pretty much brand new. No stick hockey.
You confused. Lift it up. Lift it up a little bit. See what happens. See?
What's the coolest thing in the whole world?
Now, but keep playing it. One day, bam, your lives are ruined.
What are you talking about? It's just stick hockey.
You just trust me on this one? All right, Vincent, we trust you. Oh, wait. Now I'm taking the trust I said you could have and I'm throwing it away instead.
They can put it like this.
This wouldn't have happened if
Nope.
you guys had done your job.
No. You can't get mad this time. You messed up, not us.
Ah, good
He confused.